Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use liquid vitamin D3. Liquid vitamin D3 offers a convenient and precise way to supplement your daily intake. It's especially useful for those who have difficulty swallowing pills or need specific dosages. Always refer to your product's label for exact instructions, as concentrations can vary. For personalized guidance on the right amount for you, it's always best to speak with a healthcare professional. Taking liquid vitamin D3 is quite simple. You can place the recommended number of drops directly into your mouth, often under the tongue for quick absorption. Alternatively, for those who prefer, it can be easily mixed into a small amount of food or a beverage, like juice or water. Always use the dropper that comes with the product to ensure you are getting the exact dosage recommended. To maximize the absorption of your liquid vitamin D3, it's highly recommended to take it with a meal that includes some healthy fats. Since vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, consuming it alongside fats significantly improves its uptake by your body. Think avocados, nuts, or olive oil. Consistency is also key. Taking it regularly helps maintain steady and sufficient vitamin D levels over time. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the potency and safety of your liquid vitamin D3. Always store the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Make sure the cap is tightly sealed after every use to prevent contamination and maintain freshness. And as with all supplements, always keep it safely out of the reach of children and pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.